Hello everyone, and welcome back to my video series on programming with FORTRAN. Now in this in today's video we are going to be looking at output statements, different ways we can print out values to the user. We can give out values to the users. Okay, by default we are going to be printing out values to the console, so that's what I'm going to be considering here, how we can output values to the console. We call that free formatted output, and also we are not really formatting anything. Now there are two basic ways in FORTRAN we can display things out to the user, or we can save outputs. One of them is by using a print statement, the other is by using a write statement. Okay, the write is more general. There are things the write can do, the print cannot do. Okay, but in these basic cases we have this program we'll be writing so far, where we can use both of them, it doesn't really matter. But there are cases we'll come to, especially when we want to write to files and some other things. The print statement may not be ideal for us to work with. So let's move down to our Plateau IDE and see how we can work with this. So as usual, the first thing we have is the keyword program, then the program name. So I'm going to call the program name outputs. Let us say this is outputs. Okay, then I'm going to end program, then the program name also, which is outputs. So between these two statements I have here, I can start writing my program. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to write a program that is just going to sum two values. So I have the value A, which is 10. I have a value B, which is, let's say, 40, and I want to sum these values. So I say sum is equal to A plus B, then I want to output the sum. So for me to output the sum, I'm going to use the print statement first. So this is how the print statement works. You start with the keyword print, you leave a space, and then you have an asterisk, a comma, then whatever I want to display out to the user. So yeah, I want to display the sum, so I can just go ahead and say sum. Okay, so now you can go ahead, build, which you'll be asked to save. I've saved mine already, and now I can start run, and then let's see what our output will be. So we're expecting our output to be 50, and that's what we have here, 50.0000. okay, so that's what we have for this. Now I can still go ahead and modify this program a bit. Okay, now when you output it, you saw that what I have there is just 50.0000, but maybe I want to make the user understand that this is actually the result for the sum. So what I can possibly do here is to say, okay, I'll have this, I'll say the sum of numbers, sum of the numbers is, then I have this. Now this shows that I'm trying to print out two things. First is this I have within this quotation mark, then second is what I have within it as the sum. So I'm printing out these two things. The one I have within the quotation mark, I want it to be printed out exactly the way it is. The one I have without the quotation mark, I want the value to be replaced. Okay, so this can also be done. So let's build this, which worked fine, and then let's start run, and let's see the difference between this and the other program we wrote. So this time around you're seeing that the sum of the numbers is, they have 50.0000. so that's what we have for the print statement. There are other things you can do with the print statement, but this is as basic as it could get. So let's see. Now I want to do the same thing with the write statement. The only difference I need to have here is just how the write statement is being used. So I have the write in parentheses, I have asterisk comma asterisk, which is free formatting for now. Then I want to output the result, so I'm just going to copy this so that you see that everything is basically the same thing. I'll copy that and paste here, and that's all. So now this is going to be working with the write statement and no longer the print statement. So I can go ahead and build. Let me modify, let me change something so that you see that it's actually different. Sum of the numbers is, so let's make it sum plus 80. So instead of it giving us 50 as a result, this time around we're expecting 130 as a result. Let's just confirm that, just to make sure we are not working with the print, we are working with the write, and then you guys understand what I'm doing here. Okay, so As usual, we'll run this. Let's zoom in and see what we have there. So what we have there is 130. Okay, so that's me using a write statement. So that's it, guys, for this video. You can use the write statement, you can use the print statement. Just know that the write statement is more general, of which that is going to be clear to you along the line. Okay, so if you have any question, any comment, any suggestions, put it in the comment section below. And as usual, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.